Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. Welcome to my channel. My name's Dave. I'm an RN, full-time nurse, father, husband, part-time YouTube content creator, part-time reseller, and I create these videos to help people new to reselling, not just eBay. You know, if you sell on Mercari or Posh or Etsy or local pickup, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp and Let Go, I think they merged those two apps. I don't know. But I make these videos to help people new to reselling. I also have links down below, how-to videos, how to ship and how to list and how to source, how to research. So check those out down below. If you have any questions at all, you can put them in the comments or you can email me. My email is down below. You can also connect with me. Go to MidwestPicker.com. You can follow me on Instagram, send your questions that way. So this is a quick what sold on eBay video. I've only sold 6 items since the last one, but I'm going to add a little education at the beginning, and then we'll talk about what sold. So I go around YouTube a lot. I create videos. I do lives. I'm going live Sunday night, 8 p.m. I do recorded videos like this one. I watch other content creators. I participate in lives. Sometimes I'm a guest. Sometimes I'm in the chat. I thought I knew just about everything there is to know about YouTube. I don't know everything, but I know a lot. And I must be living in a cave or something. So one day, I'm minding my own business, just cruising around YouTube, checking out these great content creators, learning a bunch of stuff. I land, pun intended, I land on Landshark Picker's YouTube channel, right? So I go to a recorded video and I'm watching it. And I'm looking at the screen and I look down next to the share button. There's an applaud button. Now, I thought I knew a lot. I had no idea what that was. So before you even continue this video, put down in the comments, do you know what an applaud button is? I certainly did not. I had to research it. I'm curious to know how many of you are like, yeah, Dave, everybody knows what an applaud button is. Or are you like, yeah, I'm with you. I had no idea there was an applaud button. What the heck is that? So if you notice, Landshark Picker, he's very distinguished with the gray hair. You know, I've got the beard coming in a little bit on the temples here. You know, maybe someday I'll look like this guy here. You know, when the gray really comes in heavy. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Let's get back to the applaud button. So that's the applaud button. So when you click on it, you get this screen that comes up. And you have the opportunity to donate money to the content creator. You can donate $2, $5, $10, or $50. Now, I had to click the Learn More button to figure out what this is. So let's quickly go over the rules or what this is real fast. Okay, it says buy viewer applause. You can buy viewer applause on participating creators' videos and show your support for YouTube channels. When you buy viewer applause, you're purchasing a one-time clapping animation that will only show that will only be shown to you over the top of the video. Viewer applause is available for purchase on computers and the YouTube Android app. Notice it doesn't say iPhone app. It's also only available to some viewers and then it has a list of countries, just a few, including the United States. So to make a purchase, you start watching a video. Under the video, click the applaud button. And then it says click applaud. In the pop-up, you will find how much applause costs in your country or region. To complete the purchase, follow the on-screen instructions. So if you click the applaud button and you donate money, you get an applause animation. And you get to donate, obviously, to the content creator. Now, I know about live videos. People who are monetized and they go live, you could do super chats. You can do super stickers. You can join them and become a member, whether it's recorded or live. I know all about that stuff. But this is a recorded video where you can donate money. So this is in limited markets, limited countries. Not everybody who's monetized on YouTube has the applaud button. Only a select few, like Landshark Picker. So I asked him for permission to show this quick clip. So in the interest of science, I decided to click the applause button and donate money to Landshark Picker. And he said, yeah, go ahead. So I recorded this quick video. Sorry for the echo, but let's check this out.
So before we get into this announcement that eBay has made, if you're an eBay seller and you like content about selling on eBay, go down there and hit that subscribe button. and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I put out new content. So let's get into it. So if you're an eBay seller and you sell items...
So there you have it. You can donate money to some monetized channels on their recorded videos, clicking the applaud button. I had no idea what that was until I saw it on his. So there you go. Pretty cool. Thanks again to Landshark Picker for permission to show that quick clip of his handsome mug. Now let's talk about what's sold on eBay. First up is this blue bowl made in Portugal. I'm not going to try to describe the name of the bowl or the maker because I'll butcher the name. I was at my secret honey hole thrift store and I flipped this over because I thought it was Fiesta ware. It was not, but it did say made in Portugal. So I know anything that's made in Switzerland or Germany or Italy or Portugal or Colombia tends to carry a higher value and is collectible. I did look it up on my phone real quick, and I saw that anything by this brand, whether it's a saucer or cup or salad bowl, they go for pretty good money. This was only $2, so I bought it. It was listed for $18.95, but it was in my 20% off sale, and it sold for $15.16 plus priority mail shipping on top. Next is the horse racing program. I've been selling a bunch of these. Cost of goods is about $3. This was $14.95, but again, it was on sale for $11.96. Buyer paid first class shipping on top. I love selling ephemera because it's super inexpensive to ship. It's kind of rare, so you're not competing with a bunch of people. Easily, you can charge the buyer shipping. Shipping is super cheap. You sandwich it between two pieces of cardboard, put it in a padded mailer. You're talking $3, boom, gone. Next is the vintage baseball glove. I mentioned this in a previous video. Actually, I mentioned it in my Sunday 8 p.m. live video as part of a trivia question. What word did I use to describe this glove? The word was supple. So yeah, this is a very old vintage leather baseball glove, probably 1930s or 40s, but the leather is really soft and in good condition. It's not dry and cracked. And anybody that collects these things, like if it's a football from the 1920s or a baseball glove from the 1930s, if it's not stored properly, the leather can really dry out bad and get cracked and it's just ruined. Well, this was really soft. Somebody must have oiled it over the years. I have no idea. It looks like it's obviously well used. Don't even know the name of the maker or even the year, but it's sold anyway. Sold for $19.95 plus first class shipping on top. This thing barely made it. It was 15 ounces all in with the packaging and the little thank you note, so it just squeaked by for first class. The bad part, I went a little crazy. The cost of goods was $14. So lesson learned. Just because it's vintage and old and it's really cool and Midwest Picker just fell in love with it. Wow, a vintage baseball glove. Yeah, I'll pay $14 for that. And then you look them up online and the prices are all over the place. So I basically broke even on this one. Next one, I think it's Antronics. It's an 8-way coax splitter. Not much use for these anymore, but it's old tech and it's brand new in the package, so I knew it would sell eventually. Cost of goods was only 50 cents. It was $9.95, but it was on sale for $7.96, and the buyer paid first class shipping on top. Next is a deer spinner. I just love saying deer spinner. It's really not a deer spinner. What it is hunters use these devices. They attach these mechanical devices to a tree, and they put corn or food in it. It's on a timer, and it just kind of spins at a designated time and dumps food on the ground, attracts deer, and blam, you shoot Bambi. So this is just the plate that attaches to the motor. I bought like 12 or 15 of these for 25 cents a piece, and there is a lot of competition, so I had to bite the bullet, go with free first-class shipping. This was $12.95, but I put it on sale to compete with all those other hunters on eBay. Sold for $10.36, plus I had to eat $3 shipping, but my cost of goods was only 25 cents. Next are these Ware Petite little pans. They're really cute, just tiny little things. I got real excited because it was Ware and corn flour or blue flour, whatever it's called. I knew they had value and I knew they were collectible, but I paid a little much. I paid $6 for all 4 of them, which isn't terrible. I try to pay much less than that. These were $24.95, but again, they're on my sale, 20% off sale. So they sold for $19.96, plus priority mail shipping on top. That's what sold, and I want to mention this quick milestone. My channel finally hit 50,000 views. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yep, thanks. 50,000 views. That's a pretty cool milestone. Now, total transparency, though, I have a dodgeball video that went viral. So 21,000 of those views is a dodgeball video. It has nothing to do with me or reselling at all. But hey, I'll take the views and I'll take the watch hours. Who cares? Maybe I'll even link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. It's only like 4.5 minutes. It's a pretty cool video. So that's it, guys. That's what sold on eBay. Gives you an idea of what I paid, what it sold for, and how it shipped, and where I sourced it. Most of these were thrift store finds. I haven't been to a flea market or an estate sale in quite a long time. Some of it is old stock, or some of it's stuff I've had in my store for a long time, like a year. So not a whole lot. Hopefully my next what sold on eBay video, I'll have bigger, better items, more expensive. So that's it, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. Put your comments down below and hit that like button, and we'll see you next time. Wait, you want to put some letters in the mailbox with me? Let's go. Come here. You gotta smell everything, don't you? Yeah, I know what you're gonna do there. You're gonna do a number 1. Alright, here we go. Now that you did your business. You're a big dog. You ever heard of the dog Daisy? Probably not. There's lots of dogs named Daisy, probably. How about Luna? Have you ever heard of Luna?